In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create libraries within the BRAVOZONE. It really doesn't make any difference what platform you use, but once a library is made, it can be used in any program within the BRAVOZONE, be it a game or Whirl or Tally, etc. I'm going to use Quiz Show for this example, but the demonstration here is the same in any platform within the BRAVOZONE. I have 9 questions over here, and I want to add it to a library. Right now, I have a library open, but if you're new to libraries, you'll have nothing over here to the right. I can add these 9 questions to an existing library or create a new library. I'm going to go ahead and create a new library. To do that, I'm going to go up to Options over here on the right and click on Add New Library. Give it a name and submit. Now we have a library, and within this library, we could actually have multiple folders, which we can continue to add libraries or questions to. And you can have multiple folders within a library. So here's my first folder, and it's empty. So I'm simply going to drag and drop these questions over here. I can rename the library. We'll call this Section 1. I'm going to add another library. We'll call this Section 2. Drop some questions over there. Each folder will have the name. In parentheses, will show you how many questions are in that library. Pretty simple. Some ways you can use the library is, besides creating libraries, if you want to rearrange all these questions, you can go over here, create a temporary folder, and simply drag and drop the questions back to that folder, then rearrange your questions. You can also just rearrange your questions manually by dragging and dropping. One additional point here, if you have multiple users within your organization, you can share your library with those users. To do so, look up here, look at the question library. We're in My Questions, the library we just created. Click on Options and click on Share. If you have other users within your organization, you can simply select those users, submit, and you'll be prompted that it was a success. That's it. Well, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.